So we have here a 900-year-old sword. Originally, it was in Oakeshott's collection, and he actually re-hilted it. And Peter Johnson measured it a while back and was really impressed with it. And Dr. Jones believes that there's only about a dozen swords of this type in this condition still left in the world, and that this one may very well have been in Canterbury Cathedral at one time, and it has it engraved. It's engraved in Domini on one side, and because it was preserved so prominently, it very well may have been, or there's a possibility, it may have been one of the swords that was used to kill Thomas à Becket. So it's extremely, it's been honed a couple times, as swordsmiths colleagues has said, in its lifetime, meaning not modern era, its useful lifetime. And I gotta say, it feels superb. It's a little weighty in the handle, but I would imagine that that would change if I was wearing a coat of mail and using it that way. And man, it definitely is it's a thin, light, fearsome weapon, and it really wants to swing. The cross is a little loose after 900 years, and just a fantastic, fantastic piece. I don't think I have ever had the pleasure of handling a piece of this quality in this condition of this era. It's like, wow, very, very nice, very nice. And edgewise, it feels very, very similar to several of the pieces that I have that cut extremely well, but are no sharper than a good butter knife. And it's wonderful to be able to handle it barehanded. Again, apologies for not having my tripod. So, we have a Type what? Type
10A.
Type 10A. Once in the possession of you at Oakeshott, who rehilted, or put a grip on it. And it's about 900 years old, and it's in absolutely superb condition. Just superb. And engraved with what exactly?
In nomine domine, a variant.
And it's beautiful. The cross is a little loose, so that I'm not going to move it with any force, but an astonishing, I get used to it a little bit, astonishing reach and agility on it. I mean, that's just nice. That's really nice. And the edge, there's enough of an edge there that I have no doubt that that is really gonna put some pain on an unarmored opponent. And an opponent in mail, reinforced leather, that's gonna still do some serious work on him. I've cut enough meat with a blade of this sharpness to know that. Just really nice. Very nice. I mean, there's really nothing else to say other than it's just super amazing. Just beautiful, beautiful. Just beautiful. Yeah, very nice.